Hello everybody, how are you? Warmly welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. As like before, today also we brought something special for you. We will share creative and inspiring tips for crocheting. Today's video is all about crochet bottle covers. So we'll be going over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and color scheme for crocheting new ideas. Dear viewers, first of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon also. If found it helpful, don't forget to share and like the video so that your friends also can watch such type of unique, beautiful and outstanding crochet bottle cover ideas. Each picture will be more beautiful and fantastic than previous. So don't skip this and watch from start to end. I'm sure you will select one of the designs. Here are some benefits of using a crochet bottle cover. The first and the main one is protects the bottle. Keep your bottle safe from scratches and dents. Improves grip. Provides a better grip, making it easier to hold and carry. Insulates. Helps maintain the temperature of cold or hot beverage for longer periods. Eco-friendly. Made from sustainable materials, reducing plastic waste. Aesthetic appeal. Adds a personal creative touch to your bottle with unique design. Customizable. Can be made in any color, pattern or style to match your preferences. Reduce condensation. Absorb moisture from cold beverage, preventing wet rings on surfaces. Portable. Lightweight and easy to carry when traveling. Easy to clean. Typically machine washable or easy to hand wash. Budget friendly. A cost effective way to personalize and protect your bottle. Durable. Strong and long lasting, providing ongoing protection. Comfortable to hold. Soft texture can be more comfortable than holding a cold or hot bottle directly. Improves hygienic. Keeps the surfaces of the bottle clean as it can be removed and washed. Stylish gift. A thoughtful and handmade gift ideas for friends or family. Reduce noise. Minimize the sound when placing the bottle down or hard space. Keep bottle cool. Helps bottle cool when carrying them in warm environments. Lightweight. Doesn't add significant weight to your bottle, maintaining its portability. Non-slip. Provides extra stability, reducing the chances of the bottle slipping from your hands. Word style. Can be used on water bottle, thermos or any bottle with a similar shape. Adds personality. Showcase your unique style and creativity through handmade designs. Perfect for gifting. Ideal for making custom gift or party favors. Child friendly. Soft fabric protects children from sharp edges or hard surfaces on bottle. Encourages hydration. Attraction and fun cover may encourage kids or adults to drink more water. Tactile experience. The texture of the crochet can be soothing to touch. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video collection. The main point which I forgot to describe with you. It's a great gift idea also. If you have any of one special friend from your family or family members or outsider and you wanna give her some special gift so that she can remember that gift for hundred of years, we have very good and unique idea for you. If you know crocheting, it will be good. But if you don't know crocheting, don't worry, we have very smooth solution for that. Just contact the guy who knows the crocheting. Tell him to make one of the designs crochet bottle cover and give that gift to your friend. I hope he will remember that gift. Thank you for watching.